Conversion is a situation when a visitor to your site takes an action you care about. It can be buying a product, sending out a contact form, or even spending more than 2 minutes on your blog post. First step in tracking conversion is to create goals. Goals are something you want to achieve. Basically, your conversion.
Go to the Admin tab and then Goals. Click on Add a new goal. You can create a goal based on a template, which saves you time with configuration, Smart Goals, which will create goals automatically based on visits from engaged users, and Custom Goals, which gives you the most options, but it's more time consuming. Let's choose a template. Then the name of the goal. Let's create a goal for a purchase. Then you should choose a slot ID. In Google Analytics you can have up to 20 goals. For us, it is the first goal we create, so we will choose goal ID 1. If we create another goal, it will be goal ID 2, and so on. Now, the type of the goal. The goal can be any event you created. For example, the download report event, which we created in the previous video. Goal can be also connected with performance of your website. For example, if someone visits at least 3 pages on your website, or if someone spends at least 10 minutes on your website. Or a goal can be the destination. For example, if someone visits a particular page on your website. And this is something we will use for a purchase, because we know that after each purchase, a thank you page is displayed. We click Continue. Now we provide additional details. The address of our thank you page. Remember to type the address without your domain name. So for www.example.com/thankyou, you should only type /thankyou. You have an option to assign a monetary value to the conversion, and you can specify how you expect to receive traffic to this page to monitor user flow, but we will leave both options off. You can also verify how much conversions you had in the past 7 days. Once it's ready, click Save. You can see data about your conversions under Conversions and Goals. Here you can see data, how many times your goals have been completed. In other words, how many conversions you had. You can check it for all goals, which is default, or you can choose any particular goal. You can see on what page the conversion took place. One of the most useful reports is the source medium, when you see what is the reason your conversion occurred. Google Analytics will automatically track the source of each conversion, but you may want to be able to see more details. For example, what affiliate partner sent you the person who converted, or what advertisement is responsible for the conversion. To track this additional information, you should create something called Tracking URL Link. Type Campaign URL Builder Google in the browser and click on the first result. To create tracking link, you must fill in some details. URL is the place where the user will be sent after clicking on the link. It can be a homepage of your website or any other page, like a specific product page. Campaign source is the source where the click on the link took place, like the affiliate or LinkedIn or Google Ads. Then the medium, which is the type of campaign, like display or CPC or newsletter. Then the name, where you can give more details, like the name of the affiliate partner, or the name of the creative, or any other details that will help you to correctly analyze data. Term and content are optional, but you can place even more information there, like a specific keyword that was used. Once you fill all required details, your tracking link will be generated. Let's quickly create one for our affiliate partner and one for our Google advertising. First, affiliate. We fill the website URL, and it should be a full URL, https www.example.com. Source is affiliate. Medium is display because our affiliate partner will put a banner on its website. And the name will be John Doe, because this is the name of our partner. You can copy URL and send it to your affiliate partner. He will attach this link to the banner on his website. Thanks to that, You will know which client came from this affiliate partner, and you could pay a commission to the affiliate partner based on that. Now Google advertising example. We will add a contact in the URL, because we want to send people from ads to our contact page. Source is Google Ads. Medium is CPC. And the name of the campaign is Christmas campaign. Now we have a link which is ready to be used and sent to the person who manages Google advertising for our company. To check the sources for each conversion, you can do it inside the Goals tab. You can adjust dates as in any other report, and you can choose a particular goal. Then you will see, for example, what is responsible for generating the most sales on your website. Alternatively, if you want to see more data, you can create custom report, the option we covered in one of the previous videos in this chapter. As metric, you can choose Goal 1, users, visits, etc. And as a dimension, you should use source medium. This will give you the great overview. The next step would be to focus in your marketing efforts on the sources that brings the most conversion to your website. Okay, now you know how to analyze the most important statistics of your website in Google Analytics. In other software, the process is very similar. You first implement general tracking code on your website, implement event tracking if needed, and then you have access to all of these valuable reports. Available metrics are very much the same, like users, page views, and so on. In the next video, we will cover user behavior tracking with Hotjar tool. See you there!